Hi everyone, this is my review of the Extreme Steam Handheld Steam and Iron 2-in-1 with Turbo Steam from Conair. It's a neat little gadget. It comes with all these little attachments. This is the filling container for the water. Works beautifully, clicks into place easily, and this has a rubber attachment and a little kind of like a brush kind of thing that grips the fabric, makes it nice and handy. That's cover to protect, and that helps make pleats. So the instructions are in there also, and we did a test on this little gadget. It was actually really handy. It's easy to hold. It is light. Buttons are easy, legible. You can hear the steam. You can see when it's ready to go. So my daughter wears a school uniform. This thing has been absolutely fantastic once I figured out how to use it. You need to either hang it freestanding and hold the bottom, which I was not doing at the beginning, and you can't have it on a space that has bumps behind, because then you're going to iron the bumps into it. So I also used it on my curtains after I washed my curtains, and that was phenomenal. It saved me so much time. I would definitely recommend this little unit. So yeah, go buy one.